shooting star I see, vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive, away like diamonds in the. I knew that we'd become one right away, oh right away. At first sight I felt the energy of sun rays, saw the light inside, so shine bright tonight. 'Cause you and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye too wide, and so will I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. We're beautiful, we're beautiful. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Palms raise to the universe as we moonshine and believe. You and I will never die, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive, we're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd be gone, oh right away, oh right away. At first sight I felt the energy of sun rays, saw the light inside, so shine bright tonight. 'Cause you and I, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, yeah. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Find light in a beautiful sea, I chose to be happy. Bueno, creo que todo el mundo conocía esta canción, ¿no? Le hemos intentado dar un poco nuestro toque. Y bueno, eso es básicamente lo que venimos a hacer hoy. Somos Néstor Pérez y Álvaro Belchí. No tenemos nombre artístico ahora mismo, pero Néstor Pérez y Álvaro Belchí. Y nada, veníamos con canciones que de alguna manera u otra nos han marcado a darles nuestro toque. Y nada, esperamos que les guste. Esperemos que les guste. Ahora vamos a hacer dos seguidas. Bueno, esto era Diamonds de Rihanna, por si alguien ha vivido debajo de una roca. Y ahora vamos a hacer una de Stevie y otra de Roxanne Patterson. Espero que les guste. Over time I've been building my castle of love, just for two, though you never knew you were my reason. I've come much too far for you now to say that I've got to throw my castle away, and over dreams I have picked out a perfect come true. Though you never knew it was of you I'd been dreaming. The Sandman has come from too far away you to say come back some other day. And though you don't believe that they do, dreams do come true. For did my dreams come true when I looked at you? And maybe too, if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed over love over me. Over hearts I have painfully turned every stone, just to find it was you that I searched to discover. I've come much too far for me now to find the love that I felt can never be mine. And though you don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams come true when I looked at you? And maybe too, if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed over loved over me. And though they all say improbable, what do they know? For in romance, all true love needs is a chance. And maybe with a chance you will find you too, like I, are overjoyed over loved over me. It's a dog in the park, it's the fog after dark, it's the wind in your hair, it's the kiss that you left after giving your best. It's a bird of in flight, taking sips from your cup of coffee, smoking a cigarette after dinner time, making love an Egyptian cotton. All in all, it will be fine. Don't you know it feels good? Yeah, it feels so good. You make me feel so good. Don't you know it feels so good? It's a song in my head, eating chocolate in bed. It's a bird up and fly, a divine melody, glass of wine and burgundy. It's the love of your life, taking sips from your cup of coffee, smoking a cigarette after dinner time, making love an Egyptian cotton. All in all, it will be fine. Feels good, yeah, yeah. Feels good. Don't you know it feels good? Da da da. Don't you know it feels so good? No doubt we got a love thing that's definitely here to stay. Hey, one thing I do have to say is, in each and every way, Gracias. Bueno, el pedazo solo que... Vale. Oye, qué rápido, ¿no? Ya hemos hecho 3 y son 5. Bueno, ¿vamos bien de tiempo? Sí. Pues nada, estos 2 temazos. El segundo era Feels Good, de Roxanne Patterson, que no mucha gente lo conoce, pero ya han podido ver el nivel. Y el anterior de Stevie, Overjoyed. Y ahora vamos a volver a algo un poco más pop, como la primera. Que esta también, si se la saben, pues a cantar y a... Bueno, no sé si les dejan cantar, pero... Canten, bailen... Bueno, es más balada, pero... Menedito, ¿no? Ya verán de qué va. And the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I've done alright up till now. It's the light of day that shows me how. When the night falls, my lonely heart calls. Somebody, I wanna feel the heat with somebody. I wanna dance with somebody to love me. I've been in love and lost my senses, spinning through the time. Sooner or later the feeling ends and I wind up feeling down. And I need a man to take the chance on a love that burns out enough to last. When the night falls, my lonely heart calls. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. I wanna dance with somebody to love me. Oh, I wanna dance. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody to love me. Somebody, ooh, somebody to love me. Oh, yeah. To hold me in his arms. I need a man to take the chance on a love that burns out enough to last. When the night falls, my lonely heart calls. And I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat. And I wanna dance with somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody to love me. So don't you wanna dance? With somebody to love me. Hombre, no podía faltar un poco de Whitney, ¿no? Algo de Whitney tenía que haber. Y nada, bueno, ya solo nos queda una. Primero agradecerles a los sonólogos y las sonólogas porque, bueno, Pedazo set, ¿no? Pedazo todo. Un aplauso para ellos, aunque no, yo no puedo. Y nada, dado que este es el especial de Navidad, quien me conozca sabe que tengo un problemita, ¿no? De obsesión con la Navidad. Pues queríamos hacer una canción de Navidad para acabar. Y nada, esperamos que hayan disfrutado y no sé, aquí va. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your hearts be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, your troubles will be miles away. Hey, and here we are, as in olden days. Happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together, if the fates allow. But until then, we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Through the years, we all will be together, if the fates allow. Until then, we'll have to muddle through somehow. And have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Néstor Pérez.